Welcome to Section 1, the Telegram Treasure Map, your guide to online riches. In the digital age, the quest for financial freedom has led many to explore uncharted territories online. Among these, Telegram has emerged as a treasure trove of opportunities, a platform where savvy individuals are discovering innovative ways to earn substantial income. Forget the complexities of traditional business models. Telegram offers a straightforward approach to earning, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting. With its massive user base and user-friendly interface, Telegram provides fertile ground for cultivating your own online ventures. Whether you're passionate about sharing knowledge, selling products, or offering services, Telegram provides the tools and the audience to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? Let's dive into the world of Telegram and uncover the strategies that will empower you to navigate this digital gold rush and emerge victorious. Now on to Section 2, Why Telegram? Unveiling the Gold Mine. Why has Telegram become the go-to platform for digital entrepreneurs worldwide? The answer lies in its unique combination of features that make it the ideal ecosystem for both creators and consumers. Firstly, Telegram boasts a staggering user base of over 700 million active users, a vast and engaged audience hungry for valuable content, products, and services. This translates to a massive potential customer base for anyone looking to monetize their skills or passions. Telegram's commitment to privacy and security is unmatched. With features like end-to-end encrypted chats and self-destructing messages, users feel secure and confident interacting within the platform. From creating channels and groups to building bots and accepting payments, the platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to empower entrepreneurs at every stage of their journey. Whether you're a writer, a marketer, a developer, or simply someone with a valuable skill to share, Telegram provides the tools you need to succeed. Moving on to Section 3, Striking Gold with Telegram Channels. One of the most popular and effective ways to monetize your presence on Telegram is by creating and growing a Telegram channel. Think of your channel as your own online magazine or TV station, a dedicated space where you share your unique voice, expertise, and offerings with a targeted audience. The key to success with Telegram channels lies in providing value. What information, insights, or entertainment can you offer that will keep your audience coming back for more? Whether it's daily news updates, expert analysis, exclusive content, or behind-the-scenes glimpses into your industry, focus on delivering consistent, high-quality content that resonates with your target market. Once you've cultivated a loyal following, the monetization opportunities are plentiful. You can partner with brands for sponsored posts, promote your own products or services, or even sell advertising space within your channel. Focus on providing value, engaging with your audience, and promoting your channel strategically to attract new subscribers and unlock the full potential of this powerful platform. Lastly, we arrive at Section 4, Minting Money with Telegram Bots, your automated cash machines. Telegram bots are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with customers and generate revenue online. These automated assistants can perform a wide range of tasks, from providing customer support and processing orders to delivering personalized content and even accepting payments. Imagine having a tireless employee working 24/7 to answer customer queries, process transactions, and manage your business operations. That's the power of Telegram bots. They free you from the constraints of time and allow you to scale your business exponentially without increasing your workload. E-commerce businesses can use bots to showcase products, answer customer questions, and process orders. Content creators can utilize bots to deliver personalized content recommendations, manage subscriptions, and interact with their audience in real time. Numerous online resources and bot-building platforms make it easy to design, deploy, and manage your own bot army to automate your business and unlock new streams of income. Section 5, Exclusive Access, Premium Profits, the Power of Paid Telegram Groups. While Telegram channels and bots offer incredible opportunities for reaching a wide audience, paid Telegram groups provide a unique advantage: exclusivity. By creating a closed community with a paywall, you can offer premium content, personalized support, and a sense of belonging that attracts paying members. Paid Telegram groups are particularly effective for individuals or businesses with specialized knowledge, niche expertise, or a loyal following willing to invest in exclusive access. Think online courses, mastermind groups, premium newsletters, or exclusive communities centered around a shared passion or interest. The key to success with paid Telegram groups is to clearly articulate the value proposition. By consistently providing high-value content and fostering a sense of community, you can create a sustainable income stream while nurturing a loyal tribe of paying members. Section 6. Case Study, From Zero to Hero with Telegram Marketing. The power of Telegram marketing is best illustrated through real-world examples of individuals and businesses that have achieved remarkable success using the platform. One such story is that of a young entrepreneur named Alex who transformed his passion for cryptocurrency into a thriving online business using Telegram. Alex started by creating a Telegram channel dedicated to sharing his insights and analysis of the cryptocurrency market. He consistently provided valuable content, including market updates, trading tips, and educational resources, attracting a rapidly growing audience of crypto enthusiasts. As his channel gained traction, Alex strategically monetized his following. Through a combination of valuable content, strategic monetization, and consistent engagement with his audience, Alex transformed his Telegram channel from a hobby into a full-fledged business, generating substantial income and establishing himself as a thought leader in the cryptocurrency space. Section 7. Essential Tools for Your Telegram Treasure Hunt. Embarking on your Telegram money-making journey requires the right set of tools to maximize your efficiency and effectiveness. For content creation, tools like Canva and Adobe Spark allow you to design eye-catching graphics, while video editing apps like InShot and CapCut help you create engaging video content. Grammarly ensures your writing is polished and professional, while scheduling tools like Buffer and Hootsuite allow you to plan and automate your content calendar. To manage your Telegram communities effectively, consider using Telegram bot builders like BotFather and ManyBot to create custom bots for various tasks. Group management tools like Group Butler and Combot help you moderate conversations, automate tasks, and gain valuable insights into your audience. Experiment with different apps and services to find the ones that best fit your workflow and help you streamline your efforts to maximize your earning potential. Section 8. Navigating the Telegram, Terrain, Tips and Tricks for Success. While Telegram offers a user-friendly platform, navigating the intricacies of building a successful online presence requires more than just technical know-how. Here are some essential tips and tricks to help you stand out from the crowd, attract a loyal following, and maximize your earning potential on Telegram. 1. Content is king. Focus on providing high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's educational, entertaining, or informative, make sure your content adds value to your followers' lives. 2. Consistency is key. Establish a regular posting schedule and stick to it. Consistency helps you build anticipation and keeps your audience engaged. 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in conversations. Building relationships with your followers fosters loyalty and encourages interaction. 4. Promote your channel. Don't be afraid to promote your Telegram channel or group on other social media platforms, your website, or through email marketing. The more visible you are, the faster your audience will grow. Section 9. Avoiding the pitfalls, staying safe and secure on Telegram. While Telegram offers a secure platform, it's crucial to be aware of potential risks and take necessary precautions to protect yourself and your followers. Here are some essential safety tips to keep in mind. 1. Be wary of suspicious links or messages. Avoid clicking on links from unknown senders or messages that seem too good to be true. They could lead to phishing scams or malware downloads. 2. Protect your personal information. Never share your personal information such as your phone number, address, or financial details in public groups or with unknown users. 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your account by enabling two-factor authentication. This makes it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account. 4. Report suspicious activity. If you encounter any suspicious activity such as spam, scams, or harassment, report it to Telegram immediately. This helps keep the platform safe for everyone. Section 10. The Future of Earning, Telegram's Potential Unleashed. As Telegram continues to evolve and innovate, its potential for generating income will only continue to grow. New features, integrations, and monetization options are constantly being developed, opening up exciting new possibilities for entrepreneurs and creators. One area of significant potential is the integration of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Telegram's open API and commitment to privacy make it an ideal platform for developing decentralized applications, dApps, and implementing blockchain-based payment solutions. Imagine a future where you can seamlessly sell digital products, offer paid subscriptions, or even receive tips in cryptocurrency directly within your Telegram channel or group. By staying informed about the latest developments and embracing innovation, you can position yourself at the forefront of this evolving landscape and unlock the full potential of Telegram as a platform for financial freedom. Section 11. Start digging. Your journey to Telegram riches begins now. You now possess the treasure map and the knowledge to navigate the exciting world of Telegram monetization. The next step is to take action. Choose a strategy that resonates with your skills and passions, and start building your online empire one step at a time. Remember, success on Telegram, like any other platform, requires effort, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop exploring new ways to leverage this powerful platform to achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start digging, and may your journey be filled with success and abundance.